As you can see in my invoice, here is my address on the Highland Hotel, New York, from the document. And to delete the address on the Stripe homepage, click on the gear icon to go to the settings. Then select the business option under the account settings. On this page, choose on the business details. And on the public details, hit on the edit button. You can then scroll down for a bit until you see the customer support address, which you may delete all of the info about your current address. And to get rid of the city selection, you may randomly change your country. So select any country besides your default one and change it again back to the default country. After that, scroll down to the very bottom and hit on the save button. And there you go. Here is the preview of my invoice, and my address information detail was gone, leaving out the country name, which as of right now, I didn't find a way yet to get rid of the country selection, but if I ever do find a way to do so, I will update you guys as soon as possible. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.